Hey y'all, Pieces of Nika is back, and in today's video I am going to be trying out a new hair color that you can find in your local beauty supply, and it is by DNA Essence. And as you saw in the intro, this is the packaging, and I am going to read a little bit about it off of this card here. And it came with a makeup bag and a hair color brush, and they gave me 4, so because I told them I have a lot of hair, and I just want to thank them for sponsoring this video. And so I just want to tell you all a little bit about it really quickly, and we're gonna get started on this on my natural hair. So this is my DNA Essence, and it's a semi-permanent hair color, and it is infused with henna extract, which is very moisturizing to your hair, and shea butter, which aid in providing excellent coverage, because as y'all know, I got grays. Do y'all see these grays? That ain't dirt, that's gray. They are not invited to my head, so we're gonna have to cover that, honey. So if you have gray hair, or you just have dull hair and you just want some shine, definitely try this out. It is no peroxide, no ammonia, no parabens. It's for color treated hair, natural hair, and relaxed hair. And you can also use it after a perm. So if you still get perms, you can use this after your perm. And it also says natural conditioning agents, excellent great coverage, long lasting color. It's a creamy formula which is enriched with conditioning, hydrating elements that leave your hair silky and shiny. Let the essence of your DNA shine through with our 12 semi-permanent hair colors. I asked for jet black because I just love jet black. And we are about to get to work on these grays. Okay, you guys, so I just went and washed my hair, and this is my washed towel dried hair. So I do have some gloves here and a shower cap and some clamps. So I'm gonna clamp my hair in 2 sections. So I'm gonna shake the bottle, and you just twist the cap down. You can pour this in a bowl and use your brush and dip in the bowl and put on your hair, but since it has to squeeze too, I'm just gonna squeeze it on my hair, rub it in with the brush, and that's how we're gonna do it. And it comes out black. Ooh, yes, because sometimes hair color comes out kind of gray looking and it don't even come out black. And you can also put some Vaseline around your edges, but I'm pretty neat when I do mine, so I don't never really do that part. But you can do that. It does say do that, but you don't have to if you just take your time with it and gently just kind of put it along your hairline, kind of nice and neat, so that it doesn't stain your hairline. So I really love how black this is, man. Y'all gotta go get this from your beauty supply store, especially like for weaves. I've seen videos of girls using this to do the watercolor for their weaves. So like you can mix this in a bowl of warm water and then just stick your whole wig in there, and it will come out so black. So you can use the rat tail part to part your hair and apply it. So for me, it's just easier to use the bottle instead of pouring it in a bowl, you know. And then what I usually do when I'm dyeing my hair is I do my roots first, as you can see. And then once I'm done with all of my roots, then I go back in and do my ends. That's just how I do it. I mean, you can do what works for you. You can do your ends first, or you can just do it all over first. But I like to attack these grays first. Look at that. Do y'all see them grays? Oh, I hate them. I'm not ready to be gray yet, so they getting covered. I'm thinking this may last in my hair for at least a good 3 weeks. I'm hoping. But my grays are so rude, they'll probably be back sooner than that. But I just really wanted to thank them for sponsoring me for this video, because Lord knows it was time for me to dye my hair again. So I'm really so happy that they sent me this. And as you can see, I'm so excited to use it. They're already covered already, and I haven't even let it sit all the way yet. So like I said, I've done the roots, so now I'm gonna put it all over. Now to put it all over, I squeeze it into my hand Hold up. Oh yeah. And then I rub my hands together and then I disperse it to my hair. That's just the easiest way to do it for me. Try not to get it on your face if you can help it. I know some people, they dye their hair and it's so messy. So we're just gonna roll this part into a bantu knot and we're gonna move on to our next section. Pretty much gonna do the same thing. Because you can't really see in the back, this tip helps you to disperse it through the back of your hair because you can't really see what you're doing back there. So that's my trick for the back, to get the back done quickly. So just watch what I do with the tip. You just take it and you just stick it in there and squeeze and rub it in. And that's how I get the back. At the end, before I put my shower cap on, what I do is I take it all down and I do one more complete cover over everything. So you just put some more in your hand. This is just the quickest way I know to dye my hair. And then you just put it all over your hair. Just to make sure it's evenly distributed. And I do have my wide tooth comb, but I don't too much use wide tooth combs or any combs on my hair. I just use my fingers and that works better for me. But as you guys can see how black this is. Look, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm excited. So I'm going to pull it all up and then I'm going to put the shower cap on it. It's just not fitting all the way on my head because all my hair, but we in there, y'all. So we're gonna let this sit on, and then after about 30 minutes, I'm gonna rinse it out and we're gonna see what style we're gonna do. So y'all sit tight, I'll be back. Okay guys, so I just washed my hair. Let's check. Grays are gone. Yes, they gone. I'm gonna just do a really quick style. All right, y'all, so my grays are all covered real quick and I am so happy with my results. And this semi-permanent hair color did it and I love it. So I'm so glad I have some extra bottles left to use so that when my grays decide to show back up again, I'll be using this to recolor my hair. So if you don't see this in your beauty supply store, you can go to DNAEssenceCollection.com or universalbeauty.com to purchase these and all of the different colors that they have. I just thank you all so much for watching and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will see you all in my next video. Love you all. Bye bye.